Craving that Subway sub but want a super speedy and touch-free way to pay? Let's dive into how to use Apple Pay at Subway. First, make sure you have Apple Pay set up on your iPhone or Apple Watch. This involves adding your credit or debit card details securely within the Wallet app. When it's time to pay at the counter, simply let the Subway staff know you'd like to use Apple Pay. Look for the contactless payment symbol, which looks like a sideways Wi-Fi signal. On the card reader, your sandwich artist will likely have it ready for you. Now, bring your iPhone or Apple Watch close to the contactless reader. You don't need to make direct contact. Just hold it nearby. Your device will likely require authentication, either through Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once authenticated, you'll see a confirmation on the payment terminal, usually a green check mark, and a notification on your device indicating the payment is complete. And just like that, your Subway feast is yours, all paid for with a simple tap and incredibly securely, minimizing any physical contact. It's a fast, convenient, and hygienic way to enjoy your favorite sandwiches and salads. So next time you're at Subway, remember the power of Apple Pay for a seamless checkout experience.